Forgot to switch on my record. Okay, I started
Yes,
recording.
sir.
Unfold. Okay, this is wrong. Huh. Cut it, and this section should be together. Unfold. Yeah, now it's fine. Edge mode, select. And Maya, like best part is you can like keep working on your UV, and plus you can modify your model at the same time. Cut. Edge mode, I'm stitching everything together. Okay, this thing I can like connect it only one side only, and this is part of this side, the front side. Unfold, and this looks little odd. So what I'll do is cut it, attach it here, and this triangle looks odd. Cut it and stitch it, and this section should be here, and this triangle, if I want, I can keep it here. And this also, if I want, I can stitch it together. With a little bit of stretch, which you can easily handle. So you can see it's done. And sidewise, I can see that it's slightly wavy. Reason of this, because of this line. So if I want it like really clean without any problem, cut it, separate this section, unfold, perfectly straight, separate. So it's gone. So this is also correct, and previously also it was correct, but yes, there was little stretching. So just to avoid this, I just like kept this entire thing separate. This section, this front section, completely separate, and rest everything is together. So let's see. Layout done. SP, right click, add to layer. Okay, now we have this section. So in this section, we have a lot of circular shape. And if I want to unwrap it, let's see how I'm going to unwrap it. So my planning is see all. Okay, this section is not visible most of the time. So entire, cut it, keep it separate, and seam should be hidden. Yeah, only one seam here, and I believe it's okay, it's visible. So I'll give it a cut somewhere here so it's not visible, and stitch this one. Unfold, layout, so I can see everything properly now. So this strip, you can see this particular strip is full straight, perfectly straight without any problem, no issue, and there is no stretching as well. So I straighten the entire thing. Now the sides, side part, I can combine everything together. And same with the side. Okay. Unfold, unfold, everything is unfold. Let's see. Move and so, move and so. For this part also. Okay, everything is stitched nicely. Unfold and lay out, and you can see anything is there. Make sure everything is nicely stitched, nothing you missed. And you can see there is no stretch at all. So both the sides are circular and the top of this thing is basically straight. So it will texturing will be super easy. Baking will be also super clean. Same thing. And this thing, I guess I should connect them. Fill hole. So you can see I'm working on my UV. So side by side, wherever I see there is an issue in my model or something I missed, I'm fixing those things as well. I don't want to continue this line. So this part is anyway is not visible. So I just simply connected it here and finished the line. Now I have this shape, history, and I have to unwrap this one now. You can see it's all stretched, everything not nice. Apply automatic, and this time because this part is visible clearly, this part is separate, fine, and this inside part also have to keep it separate. Unfold. Got this fine only, okay. Here, stitch, fine, unfold, let's see, and all these sections, if I want, I can definitely stitch them together just to keep less what do you call less seam. Unfold, layout. Now here I can see slight bend because there is it's a curved surface. If I keep it straight, it will there will be little stretch. So if I want, I can obviously I can always break it from here and keep it separate. But this is a one single solid object, so I'm this much like slightly bend on a curved surface is acceptable. Like this slight bend is acceptable because it will bake perfectly without any problem and generate everything properly. And this inside part, like wherever things are not visible, make sure reduce the scale. That I'll do it finally, like when I'm packing my entire thing, that time only I'll do it. This is done. Right click, add. Now this section, apply automatic. Now here, this front section, I'll keep it separate. Rest I'll weld and the center part I'll break it to keep the seam down so it's less visible. For this section, click everything, unfold, unfold. I have to check this section, save my file. Okay, this is back side. If I want, I can connect them. Doesn't make any difference. And this part is separate entirely. You can see. If I want, I can weld it together. So stitch it together and keep it like this. It will work perfectly, but there will be little stretch because all these surface have volume and thickness. So it will create little stretch and problem. So usually, like when we have a high poly and we're going to bake it, this won't create any problem. But if suppose you don't have a high poly, in that case, try to keep all this surface separate. This surface separate, this one and this one separate. In that case, it will bake properly without any issue. Correct? I fixed it. Why? What happened here? Delete. Delete. Only one. This one. Now select this one. This one. This backside is not visible. Correct. Nice. Basically, select everything. So move and saw. Unfold. But there will be a lot of stretch. So what I have to do? All the corners like this. Cut it. Unfold it. And this section, I guess we can keep it together. If I want, like make it even better, select this one, this one, this one, and this one. Cut them, unfold. So this will give you very nice, clean this thing. But I can see here clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means it's an end gone. Fix your end gone. And it's clean, but it's clean, but still you can see it's not like very like everything is nicely unwrapped, but still there is a stretch. So in that case, I'll separate the thickness. Nice, perfect. Everything is clean. And this entire thing I can keep it together. Okay. And now you can see everything is nice, clean, unfold. I'll break it from here. Cut. Yeah. Now it's perfectly fine. Unfold. Layout. See, perfectly straight line and everything is super clean. There is no issue at all. Now we have this section. Okay, this is like way too much. So this is also automatic. Make sure outer part, everything stays together. So what I'm doing is from center, any one side, I'll cut it open, unfold, and rest everything I'll build. Stitch. Unfold. So you can see this shape is perfectly unwrapped, no problem. Then we have all these interior parts. So all this thing, I can keep them together, but this is like really small and tiny part. Everything is together. Layout. See, everything is super clean. And what is this area? Oh, this thing. Go on. Everything is unwrapped nicely. And this part, I can keep it like this, or if I want, I can straighten this. But like for this, I'll keep it like this only. If I straighten this, that also fine. Like select this one. UV mode. Shift, straighten, straighten. Will straighten the entire thing, but there will be little stretch here and there. Those things I don't want, so that's why I'm keeping it like this only. History, add. This I could have extruded from the base itself. Okay. This is just a box. I can apply a box. Three-sided box. Done. Unfold, unfold. Correct. Done. This one, this one is like nicely unwrapped already. It's not perfect. Unfold. These sides are visible. The center part is not visible. So while packing, I'll make sure this side, like center part, doesn't have that much poly space. Unfold. Unfold together. Layout. See, I can lay out them together also. Unfold. Everything is clean. You can see like unwrapping I'm doing so fast, like it's so easy. You don't have to stitch everything manually one by one. You don't have to do those things. Now this section. So whenever you have something like circle like this, have a cut for this thing and this time. Cut it and rest, weld them together. select everything, unfold, nicely unwrap everything. This circular thing, if I want, I can keep it separate. Face mode, we'll stitch them together. And here I can see the supporting loop is not required. It's also not required. And this is also not required. So deleting those unwanted loops. And align them nicely. And this section go here, unfold, layout. See, everything is unwrapped. Right click, add. Now this section. So right now unwrapping each and every individual part separately. So do not get confused like what I'm doing. I'm just separately unwrapping everything. Once my entire unwrapping is done, I'll pack my entire UV. So here, the same thing. Seam always backside. Double click and select the UV. Merge everything. Now for all the surface, first unfold, layout. I can see everything clearly. And this also can do it like this, and rest is fine. Unfold. This looks fine, but if I stitch them nicely, this is again fine. And this surface looks a bit odd, no matter what I do. So I'll just straighten this. Unwrapped. So while a UVing, make sure check your model as well. If there is any issue, any problem, solve it then and there. Because if your model have issues, it will reflect on your texture as well. Fix. So I've unfolded like there is some issue in the model. So it will give you show you this issue, fix it. Okay, Alt H and check. Okay, unfold. Cut it. This part is separate, this entire inside part is separate, and this base part is also separate. Now here I can see this section. Okay, this section is little off. Only one seam. Okay, I can keep it separate only. That will be like nice. What is this section? Unfold. Now see, all the UVs looks fine. Layout. But only thing I feel this interior part, this is though it's not visible, but I have seam here. So I have like a stretching here. To fix this, I'll cut this section and these two also. Unfold again. Now you see, seam is gone. History. Clean. Both are same. I can, if I want, I can unwrap both the things together. Unfold layout so I can see everything. Okay, what I can do, I can stitch everything together and then select one loop, break it, unfold. So everything at once, nicely unwrapped. See, layout done. This also, the front and side and back, all three are separated, but like back side, I'm going to reduce. So I'm going to stitch the thickness with the front side. Unfold. Clean. Mesh is ready. And suppose I want to like, because right now you can see my loop poly doesn't have bevel. So if I am planning to add some bevel, I have to do it right now only. Because right now I'm using it so that I can fix it. Meeting will end in few seconds. Like I'll